Hello, are you struggling to increase your conversion rates? In this video, I'm going to show you some tips on how to skyrocket your conversions so that you don't need to invest more money into ads, but just by increasing your conversion rate, you are going to get better results. Hello, my name is Ozar and thanks for joining in. Many advertisers think that to get more conversions, you need to throw more money at Google, Facebook, TikTok, etc. But that should not be the case, because by optimizing what you have, whether the ads or the copy on your landing page or your website, you can increase your conversion rate slowly and gradually over a period of time. And that is going to save you a lot of money, time, as well as increase your return on ad spend. So as you can see on the infographic on the screen, there are 4 tips which I'm going to go through with you right now. So tip number 1 is understanding your audience. It is critical. You got to know who they are, what they do, what they need, what is the pain point, what are the solutions they are looking for, right? And what are the demographics. If you can identify their pain point and create your avatars and speak their language, you are going to make money. And the bigger the pain point and the bigger the solution, the more money you're going to make. So if somebody wants to get fit and lose weight, and you got the ideal solution, yes, you are going to attract that customer. So avatar is something which many business owners and marketeers, unfortunately, don't pay a lot of attention to. They don't know who they are talking to. So we talk differently to different people. So I will speak differently to my parents compared to my brothers or sisters or to my friends. So we are talking our different language, right? The same thing is for your customers. A business can have multiple avatars. You can have one, but a lot of businesses like ours have multiple avatars. So in our case, we have a business owner who's running a small business. Another one could be a medium-sized business. Another one could be a freelancer. So I've got 3 avatars just from the top of my head. So you got to sit down, and now with the help of ChatGPTs and the AIs, this process is becoming easier and easier. You tell ChatGPT, look, I need to create my customer avatar. This is my website. Can you show me a few avatars who I should be targeting? Then it's going to start asking you questions. What do you do? What are you doing? Who's your target audience? And stuff like that. What is your product or the solution does? In fact, it will read your website and it will tell you these are the type of people you should be targeting. So going back 2 years, we didn't have this. We used to spend hours and hours, but now in a fraction of a few seconds or minutes, we have the answers on our fingertips. The second tip is create a powerful headline. It is really important that within a matter of seconds, they understand and they know what you offer. So once they go onto Google or any other search engine, click on your ad, come to your website, they need to know exactly what it is. Can't be confusing. It's got to give immediate value and give that solution to that pain point, which triggers in their brain, yes, this is the thing I've been looking for everywhere. And I think I found it now. So you got to be very specific, keep simple language, no jargons. You try to use keywords in your headline so they know, because it will resonate with that person, and ask questions. Those kind of headlines are really good. Do you suffer from? Are you struggling with? Those kind of headlines do really well. And then they read that headline and they're saying, yes, this is addressing my problem. Number 3 is also critical. And I see this mistake happen time and time and time again, because a company will boast about their product or service. We are the greatest. We are the best. People don't give 2 hoots about who you are, what you do. They care about what's in it for them. So you don't want to be writing about the features. You need to write about benefits, how your solution can help them. So in my case, let's say Google Ads, I'm trying to promote Google Ads. If I write about, oh, Google Ads has got demand gen, video ads, PMAX campaigns, and you got conversion tracking, and you got this and you got that. It doesn't solve your problem, and you're going to say, so what? All you care about is, I want to grow my business, I want more leads, I want more sales. And that is the difference between features and benefits. Always, always, always talk about benefits and not about features. Show how you can solve the problem for them. And try to use storytelling. Tell a story. People love stories as to how you helped a baker get more people through their bakery, or how you helped an e-commerce brand generate more return on ad spend, something like that. And the last one is use compelling call to actions. You got to write the call to action on a button or wherever it is. Don't just write submit or send. Make it more attractive. Things like get your free quotation, or save 5 hours a day, or whatever your call to action is. Be crystal clear, be direct, and create urgency or scarcity. So if you have a sale or an offer which ends in 7 days, then you can use that, because people don't want to miss out on it, the fear of missing out, FOMO. So they're going to take that call to action right now and try to add value to it. So if you got a coupon code, save 30% now with this coupon code. You put that in. And just by making these small tweaks and changes to your landing page, you are going to increase your conversion rate, conversions, and return on ad spend. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I truly appreciate if you could give it a little thumbs up and a like for more videos like this.